Single door pull opens both doors with one-hand ease and convenience. Digital controls provide precise cooking time and temperature to take the guesswork out of cooking. Turbo convection baking technology cooks faster and browns more evenly. 2 racks provide maximum cooking flexibility. This oven control allows you to slowly cook your food at a preset temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit for an adjustable time of up to 6 hours. Extra large interior accommodates 2 16-inch pizzas. Preheat setting gets oven temperature up to where you need for precise cooking. 90-minute timer with signal turns oven off automatically. Voila, dinner's done. The Oster digital French door oven looks elegant, cooks with convection and makes meal prep easier. Unique design opens both doors with a single pull so you can place dishes in the oven without hassle. Digital controls provide added convenience to bake, toast, broil, warm and convection cook in just one touch. Control panel also includes touch commands for pizza, dehydrate and defrost, as well as adjustable time and temperature settings. There's no reason to turn up the heat with your conventional oven, as the Oster digital French door oven cooks more efficiently, using up to 50% less energy. With 90-minute timer, your foods cook as long as you need, then the oven shuts off automatically. With the countertop oven this attractive, this efficient and this easy to use, you'll enjoy using it for every meal you prepare. Top reviews from the United States. Oster Countertop Air Fryer Oven. I love this countertop oven. It has 10 functions: bake, toast, broil, roast pizza, air fryer, turbo convection, dehydrate, slow cook and keep warm. It has timer that can be set up to 90 minutes. I have used other brands like Elite and Luby. I gifted the 2 other ovens because Elite was not precise with temperature settings as it should have been. I like the interior light that Elite oven had. Luby oven was a nightmare. Temperatures never were accurate and extremely difficult to set temperature, and it did not have an interior light. Both Elite and Luby ovens had a manual dial setting. I love that the Oster oven is digital and very accurate. I love baking cakes and the temperature has to be precise to bake. I very seldom use my large gas stove commercial oven to prevent heating up my house. I live in Louisiana and it is hot here in summer. If you need a small oven for everyday use to decrease your energy bill and prevent heating up your house, then this is the countertop oven for you. You just have to remember to buy pans that can fit in oven 9x13 and baking dish fits very well. I have an air fryer that I purchased prior to getting this oven, but I do not use it anymore because the oven has an air fryer function. I'm so glad on my 3rd attempt I found the countertop oven that it great for me.